How to change WhatsApp from dark mode to light mode on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device, and here if you tap on the U option or the settings option from the bottom right of your screen, as you can see the WhatsApp is in dark mode, so if you scroll through the settings page you will not see the option to change WhatsApp from dark mode to light mode anywhere in here, as WhatsApp uses your device's default background theme in order to choose the background theme for your WhatsApp. So, if you want your WhatsApp in light mode, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the display and brightness option you see there, and further tap on the light option you see there. And with this, if you go back and open WhatsApp, you will see that your WhatsApp is now in the light mode. So, this is how you can change WhatsApp from dark mode to light mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.